Hello, and today I'm going to show you how to take an iPod mini 4 gig apart. The reason why I'm doing this is the problem is the touchpad menu button doesn't work, but you can bypass that by pressing and you put the hold on and off again, on and off again. It does work, as you can see. Here we go. Right, I'm going to show you how to take it apart. Here we go. You need three things. One, a tiny weeny screwdriver. Two, a little straight edit. And three, you can either use a little credit card or I'm using my DLA bus pass. And the touch pads are $6.99 off eBay. Right, here we go. Right, you see it there? Card, gently get in on there. Should pop open. Like that. And as you can see, there's two screws in there, right? And we've got the bottom, same thing. You credit card in there, or you use a fidget screwdriver. It comes out easy. And as you can see, there's like little clips there that you need your straight edit one for. What I do is I get in the corner, and there you go. Like that. In the corner, there we go, in the corner. In that corner. And as you go, there's one side done. There's one side done here. You don't do 2 seconds. Oh, there's a gun, it's going for the button. Right, and that's out. As you can see there, that's your touchpad band. Gently take it off. This may affect your warranty, but I doubt it won't on this. I did $4.99 at Cash Van Generators today, but I'll be able to sort it out. I'll just gently get that off like that. Gently to that. It's a little stiff, but don't rag it out. There we go. That's off. Right? The structural driver for the front is where it comes handy. Take them two top ones out. Make sure you put them somewhere safe. And I will be doing another video showing you how to put them. I'll just do it with the old one anyway. I'll be buying one when I get the DLA next week. Can't go for $6.99, can you? Right. Really quick. It's always best to use a magnet screwdriver. Right. There we are. They're out. That's just come out dead easy. Be gentle. Don't put your screwdriver all the way in like a dick. Yeah. Doesn't want to come out now. Oh yeah. Don't even need to. Yeah. Push that down so it comes out. Careful because it's a back, it's a bit loose in the wrong. Gently. At the back there, keep all of that there. It will fall and then you'll be in a new battery. And air that out. That's that. Put that on one side. Okay. Right, and here we are to this. There's like a little tiny clip in there, little black thing. Why do I put my thumb on there, on the play button, gently bring it and then slide. Slide it out. It's a bit stiff, it's normal, don't worry. And there you go, out. And I will be, yeah, I think I'll put it in a drawer so I can take it apart again. I will be showing you how to put it back together in the next video. But, there you go. Thanks for watching.